Hey guys, this should be kind of a quick video. We're just going to talk about switches real quick, which are pretty easy. It's just another way to validate conditions. So we're going to kind of do what we did with the colors and the if statements in the last video, except we're going to use switches. So let's create a color here and let's make it red. All right, and instead of using if else, what we're going to do is we're going to use a switch. And in here is what we want to test, and what we want to test is the color. Okay, so inside of a switch, what you want to do is define cases, different cases. So let's say we have a case where it's red, right? And then the syntax is to put a colon here, and then we're going to do whatever it is we want to do if it's red. In this case, we're just going to console log, and we'll say color is red. All right, and then we're going to want to break from that case. All right, let's put another case if it's blue. Put a colon, we'll console.log, and we'll say color is blue, and then we want to break. Okay, now we could keep going, we could do other colors if we want, but when we come to an end, what we'll do is have a default case. So we'll say default colon, and then let's do console.log, and we'll say color is not red or blue. Okay, and then we'll break. So let's go ahead and save this, and if we look down here, we get color is red. If we change it to blue, save it, we get color is blue. If we change it to yellow and save it, we get color is not red or blue. Okay, so it does exactly what the if else or the else if did in the last video. It's just a different way of doing things. All right, now switches, I would suggest using a switch when you have a lot of different cases rather than doing, you know, else if, else if, else if. I think a switch is better in that situation. So let's do one more thing here with switches. What I'm going to do is, what I want to evaluate here is the day of the week. So remember, with dates, we can say new date, and then we can use the get day method. All right, so that's going to give us the day of the week in number form, okay, starting with 0 for Sunday. So what I'll do is I'll say case 0, and let's set a variable here. Actually, we'll set the variable, we'll say let day, and then down here we'll say day equals Sunday. Okay, and then we'll set a break. Actually, we'll indent that. All right, and then I'm just going to copy this, and we're going to mess up the indents here, but that's all right. I'll fix it after. So what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we'll just bring back these cases. Okay, so we'll do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so this will be Monday, Tuesday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, so now we have our switch, and then let's go ahead and at the end here we'll console.log, and let's put a template literal in here, and we'll say today is, and then we'll put our day variable. So let's save, and we get today is Thursday. All right, which is true. You can see right here, Thursday. All right, so I'm not going to go much more into this. Switches are pretty easy to understand. In the next video, we're going to be taking a look at functions. Now we're going to look at function declarations and function expressions. All right, so I will see you in the next video.